Are you tired of the same old cinnamon? Has pumpkin spice become stale and boring?
Well, do we have a treat for you? We call this mixture of spices Barkee Barkenton. You will need 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 8 tablespoons of cinnamon, or 1 part each allspice, nutmeg, paprika to 24 parts cinnamon. Put the mixture inside your chosen container and shake it like it's a container full of stuff that needs to be mixed. To me, cinnamon has a forward taste. And pumpkin spice, because of the ginger, almost has more of a middle spike. Barkee Barkenton, I find the flavor profile to be a little bit more well-rounded.